Pinky love man part 2. $100 me give more than a clue. Pinky love man fan a idea knee. And she only talk to man where your money. Pinky I'm a bigger sister. That mean me a Pinky. Little brother as I reach I me get give me.
Oh, that Pinky little brother.
Oh,
okay.
are you?
Very good.
Yeah, me good enough. Alright.
You sure?
Yeah.
You don't know say me hear say yo Melissa pass through and me no see him. I wish she did.
Me don't know, me that look for her too. Me can't find her.
How you
I
think
have no
go
credit,
on?
can call her and ask her if she still a come.
Eh?
You know, have no credit, can call her and ask her if she still a come here.
No, you know. I have to go call the weather people and get in contact to her.
Oh.
Cause you know much bread and things me buy empty out the store.
Yeah, because Pinky Adam and the camera go there. And,
Pinky had a what?
Eh?
Pinky had a who?
Pinky friend. Pinky Adam man. Thanks.
When come from?
Ronnie Road.
Which part of Ronnie Road?
You know Ronnie Road? You at the eyes a keep party.
Eh?
Yeah, him eyes keep party.
So you know say.
Yeah.
So she there now?
She gone out with him.
And if you were
Yeah.
alone.
Yeah, me alone there here.
Alright. Here why plan?
Alright,
here why plan now.
yeah.
I go stay with the till she forward.
Eh?
Me, go stay with you till she back.
Feel the breeze. Eh?
Yeah, breeze
The
a
breeze
blow, man.
dangerous. Come on, 5 road and go your yard.
Eh?
Come on, 5 road and go your yard.
Melissa not go fall cause the sun and the breeze and the little cloudy there above. You see me? So me not have to come off the road, I just breeze this.
Eh?
Where you say you want to stay here?
No, go your yard. You're not afraid that your rooftop blew off?
You know blow off a concrete.
Better you go your yard. Keep it storm at your yard.
The storm now bother forward, man.
Me no want to eat our food like the food up there and drink up my bigger shoulder. Last when a Pinky man then they come here in the drink up my bigger shoulder, you know? And he could pay back feet because he rock.
So much man she have so?
Enough. You fool! No much enough yet. You go your yard there, man. Can you just fast in a people business?
Later here.
Yeah.
May I circle back tonight still, you know?
With the soda.
Yeah, with the soda.
Bigger soda?
Yeah.
Pineapple?
Of course.
Alright. Hurry up and come back.
I'm so forward.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.